me na first time pa lang napupunta doon. So I already paid my travel tax. And also nakapag-check-in na rin ako online. So we're just gonna print our boarding pass and then proceed to immigration. This is going to be my first time in Taiwan, and I'm with my friends. I'm very excited kasi this is an all-girls trip and matagal na namin pinlan to and gustong pumunta dito. We all know that Taiwan is one of the best countries to go on a food trip, right? Doon ako sobrang excited. Hindi ako handa for this trip kasi nga kagagaling ko lang sa Japan. Siguro 2 days lang ako napahinga, tapos ito na naman, paalis na naman ako to another country. The requirements when going to Taiwan, if you're like me na first time pa lang napupunta doon, you need to secure your itinerary, check-in, boarding pass, pwede naman na online para mas mabilis, travel tax. So you need to secure your e-travel departure 3 days prior to your flight. Pwede nyo na siyang i-fill out online. You can also download the eGov app para at least mas mabilis na yung pag-access and pag-fill up ng form. And then may account na rin kayo for Taiwan arrival card. You just need to fill out your details, estimated arrival date, the time, your flight details, your passport, and then yun, generate na kayo ng code. If your guys are tourists traveling to Taiwan until June 30, meron sila yung Taiwan Lucky Land. It's actually one of the promotions for tourism in Taiwan wherein you can win 5,000 NTD. So, para magdodraw lang kayo doon. So, you just need to fill out your details. Same thing as what you did in your arrival card. And then, passport, your arrival date, and then may ma-generate na QR code na ipapresent nyo upon arrival in Taiwan. Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-secure ng visa. Visa-free tayo. So, yun lang naman yung requirements when going to Taiwan. Ang flight namin is around 10:50 p.m. It's already 8:48. We're just waiting for our boarding time, and we'll see you guys in Taiwan. We're gonna do the Taiwan, the Lucky Land. And nag-fill out na kami neto guys prior to our flight. And it will end until June 30, 2025. Start. Ay, please scan your QR code. Ano yun? See you next time. Pumindot lang kami ng start. Tapos, wala na. Yun na. Makikita mo na kung nanalo ka or hindi. I think swertihan lang talaga siya. Yan, 5,000 NTD. Pa-present mo lang yung passport tsaka boarding pass mo. Ayan, actually, lahat ng mga nakapila to, ito yung mga nanalo. So, mag-withdraw lang kami. Meron naman mga ATM dito outside. And I'm using GCash Visa para lower exchange rate. Ang winidraw ko ay 6,000. Nag-book kami ng airport transfer namin. Hati-hati na lang kami. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description box below. We booked this via Klook. And you can use my promo code. It's MaryKlook to get 5% discount. Marami silang mga pick-up din dito na via Klook. Labas na lang na mismong arrivals dito sa airport. Makikita mo na sila kaagad. Meron silang signage. Tapos hanapin nyo na lang yung name nyo. Good morning! So it's officially our day 1 here in Taiwan at wala pa kaming tulog. Nilalaban namin ang 2 hours sleep. Sleep pa ba yun? Parang nap na lang. Nakarating yata kami dito mga 3 a.m. Pagdating namin ng 3 a.m., syempre nag-settle down pa kami, nag-ayos pa kami and all. And since marami nga kami na girls sharing with one room, so take turns pa pag naliligo. The room was okay. Siguro hindi ko na siya napakita sa inyo. But for the price, I think it's reasonable naman. Nabook namin siya guys via Agoda. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description box below and it's super near the night market and also yung pickup location namin for our tour today. Walking distance lang siya. So, sobrang sulit na yung nabook namin na hotel. Ang tour natin today is Yelu Geo Park, Chufen, and Shifen waterfall. So, nabook namin to guys via Klook. And I think the time na nabook namin to is super discounted kasi meron silang sale during April to May. Parang naka 30% off yata yun. So, sobrang sulit kasi marami kami.
If you want to use my promo code, it's MaryClook to get 5% discount on any activities, also on hotels and on flights. Let's go! Parang ang sarap mag-food trip dito mamaya. Sarado pa siya guys kasi medyo maaga pa. Mga ano pa lang 8 a.m. May nakita din kami yung Pop Mart doon in case mahilig kayo sa mga anek-anek, labubu. And then also I noticed na meron silang mga claw machine just like in Japan. Yung vibe din is same with Hong Kong. Uy, pagkain! Ximending Night Market. Walking distance lang hotel namin sa may night market. So here's our meet-up point. Ximen Station, Exit 5. Ayun, parang may nakita ko red flag. Si ate. Yan na, nagka-count na yata sila ate. Let's check out our names. Osmo Packet. Pakikuha na po si Dayan.
Tapos ano
Gusto ko yun ah. Hmm? Hi, so we just arrived here at the Yellow Geopark. This is our first stop for this tour. Wow, the weather is so nice today. It's not so cold and it's not so sunny din. So, ang maganda din sa kanya is hindi umulan. Grabe yung bus na ride namin kanina. Sobrang maalog at saka grabe siya pumreno. Kasi hindi niya tinitignan yung nasa kaharap niya. Habang umaandar siya, bigla siyang pepereno. Hindi smooth yung ride. Kaya ilang beses kaming muntika ng masubsob. Pati yung tour guide. Ilang beses din muntika matumba. Kaya dapat pag nagbabas kayo, hindi kayo masyadong makampante, wear your seatbelts pa rin. So here sa Geopark, yung sa tour na nabook namin sa Klook, hindi pa kasama yung ticket. Nag-purchase na lang kami with the tour guide. So may mga advance order din siya ng mga pagkain and drinks. Ito yung mga advance order na pinapili niya is yung chicken rice, boba tea, and then coconut lemon, ice cream, yun yung mga pana-advance order niya. So, pipili kayo if ano yung mga gusto nyong i-order doon. Or, pwede rin naman na dito na kayo bumili.
entering area. They only take a picture.
We are now entering the Yellow Geopark. It's actually one of the famous and must-visit attractions here in Taiwan because of the rock formations made over time because of the strong winds and sea erosion. Yung pinaka-famous is yung Queen's Head. Meron din mga rock formations that shape like a mushroom, rock pothole, tofu rock, ginger rock, candle rock. Pagka nakita nyo daw yung mga rocks na yun, wag daw hahawakan, wag daw tatalunan, just take a picture from a distance. May mga news or may mga sabi-sabi na pwedeng after how many years mawawala na siya kasi nga, di ba, every time may mga strong winds, mga sea erosion, unti-unti din nalalagas yung rock formation. So, might as well visit it while andito pa siya, while meron pa. Topography of Yelyu. Wow! Look! Uy, ang ganda! Ang ganda! Look! Feeling ko, mataas yung tubig dito before. Like, abot dito. Ayan, dito yung punta ng Queen's Head. Dito sa baba, hindi na mahangin. Natakpan na.
Spring is the season that wakes me alive, and fall is the season to contemplate life. Oh, I don't know.
Ang ganda. Sobrang relaxing ng place. It's really unusual that you see rock formations like this. Na parang ma-amaze ka talaga na kung paano ginagawa or paano nagagawa yung mga ganito. Yung medyo color sand siya. Alam mo yung parang desierto, ganun. Medyo light brown yung color niya. Like it adds up with the ambience of this place.
What is it exactly in this time of year that makes the melancholy me reappear? Oh,
Hindi na namin pupuntahan yung Queen's Head kasi 10:30 a.m. yung balik dapat namin sa bus. Kulang na kami sa time to explore this cool place. Parang nabitin kami sa oras. Huwag na siguro kayo magpa-picture dun sa may mga mahahabang pila kapag naka-tour kayo. Instead, just go around and check out the other rock formations na lang. Ayan, dito sa may area yung pagpasok. Medyo less people.
dark roast coffee, salt mist and sea, sand and
Shifen Waterfalls. Shifen is actually an old town famous for the sky lanterns, railway, and then yung Shifen Old Street. And then also yung pupunta natin ngayon, which is yung Shifen Waterfalls. So it's a long walk. Hindi na pwedeng dumaan or pumasok yung bus from this area. We have 50 minutes allotted time. Kunyari, nagdi-DIY kayo, you have to purchase yung card nila, Metro card, which is mabibili nyo in any convenience store, 7-Eleven, Family Mart. Tapos may mga characters like Hello Kitty, Mickey Mouse, Pikachu, so whatever you like. And then pwede nyo na siyang i-charge up dun mismo sa convenience store. So you can use that for any public transportation here in Taiwan. You can also use that. Yung kung may nakita kayo na parang bicycle, Nina, pwede yun. May free usage siya na ilang minutes first use. Pero yung succeeding yata, yun na yung may bayad. This is open until 4:30. Pero parang naririnig ko na yung waterfall sound. So, probably malapit-lapit na siya. If you guys have any injuries or uncomfy with walking na medyo malalayo, may kasamang elders or may kids, better if you have strollers. Medyo marami lang hiking and walking na pataas and pababa. Yung daanan naman is patag, hindi mahirap mag-hike. And I saw a lot of elders din naman na lalakad to. So, I think it's walkable naman and senior friendly. Wow, look at that. Grabe, like, nakaka-relax yung sound ng waterfalls. I think ayun na yung viewpoint for the waterfall. So, medyo malapit-lapit na rin siya. Ayan na. Ang ganda ng waterfalls. Oh my God. Pwede din bumaba. Like, super close. Bababa kayo. Pero, ang daming stairs, so ingat na lang. Mga may disability and senior citizen friendly kasi meron para silang elevator going down. Kasi the stairs is quite challenging. Medyo madali yung pababa, of course, but then yung paakyat, sobrang mahirap. Kasi kakaiba yung slope and medyo slippery. Oh, wow! Ang ganda! Baba tayo dun sa pinakamalapit. Dito pala malapit sa waterfalls mismo, may mga kainan, may mga stalls. Pwede kayong bumili ng snack kung napagod kayo sa paglalakad. Pero maliit lang siya and konti lang yung selection. Akala ko mababasa kami kapag sobrang lapit, hindi naman pala. Hindi pa magaling yung labi ko sa sa windburn sa Japan, sobrang lamig. If you guys are visiting yung Shifen Waterfall, I suggest head straight to this observatory deck. Yung pinakamalapit dito sa may waterfalls because the view is just amazing. Ito yung parang, for me, the best view of the waterfalls. Plus, you can hear the splashes of the waterfalls. Sobrang relaxing and calming. Mas nakakatakot pala pag itong glass, yung harang lang. Nakakalula. Pero ang ganda, mas maganda yung view from here. Pabalik na kami sa bus. Medyo bitin lang siya ng konti. Mabilisan ng pictures, appreciate ng view. Nakakaubos din ng oras actually yung walk from the bus going to the observatory deck. So we have 20 minutes for the sky lanterns and 20 minutes for our free time to roam around and buy stuff and eat. Dito tayo magpapalipad ng sky lanterns. And then we bought our sky lanterns dun sa tour guide namin. There are different kinds of lantern. Meron yung color red, 200 NTD, and then meron yung 4 colors, which is 350. And then may 8 colors, which is 400? I'm not sure, pero di ko na narinig yung 8 colors. Pero each color symbolizes something. For red, it's fortune. Pink for love, yellow for business. So isang lantern na lang kami, and then sharing na lang kami ng susulatan.
Cookie.
Cookie. Daming free taste dito in fairness. Parang Binondo Binondo style na maraming pang food trip. Marami silang mga sausage, tsaka yung mga dried fish. Yun na kaya yun? Stinky tofu. Yun yata yung stinky tofu Ang baho. Baho nga. May putok siya na sumasama sa hangin. We are given 1 hour to stay here. Kasama na doon yung pagpapalipad ng sky lanterns. Mahilig kayo sa mga milk tea, boba milk tea. Ayan, maraming mga tinitinda dito. So yan, picture-picture muna pagkatapos yung magsalat. And then they're gonna guide you kung paano siya papaliparin. If you buy your lanterns from the guide, ayan, sundan nyo lang siya and ituturo niya sa inyo kung saan nyo kukunin yung lanterns nyo. But you can also purchase here. Ito pala yung mga meaning ng mga colors. Careful lang na malagyan kayo sa damit or sa balat kasi may mga chemicals daw siya. 1M subscribers. Yes! Kailangan may name. Baka malito kasi yung mag-grant. Binigay kay Hazel yung 1M subscribers. Naintindihan kaya niya? Wala, ang ganda ng sulat nila. Happiness. More travel. 250. Okay. Arigato. Ay, hindi pala. Sheshe. Hindi, parang sinindihan lang niya. Tada! Ay, kita mo ba? Lumipad eh. Bilis lang pala ng pagpapalipad ng lantern. Sabi mo, pag di natupad, babalikan kita. Yan, hugas muna tayo ng kamay bago tayo kumain because maraming chemicals yung pen kanina. Ito yung ice cream. And ito pala yung chicken. Maliit lang. Apa? Mas strawberry ice cream siya sa loob. Kakaiba kasi. Parang nasa lumpia siya. Na frozen. Tapos, may mga powder ng peanut butter. Parang ganon. Or medyo peanut. So refreshing. Sausage, 40. NTD. Milk tea nila, 80. NTD. Kaso sobrang dami ng boba pearl. Fresh milk with boba, 80. Ang daming free taste dito. Pwede pala ako pumunta na walang pocket money. Mabubusog pala ako dito nang walang pera. Sarap ng sausage. Hirap naman dito, walang basurahan. Bawal makitapon kung kani-kanino. Mochi, matcha, and condensed milk. Black gold pineapple cake. Ito daw yung sikat dito sa Taiwan, yung mga pineapple cake nila. We are now off to our last stop in Chufen. Yung tour bus namin, nag-stop siya somewhere here in the parking lot. Kasi kailangan namin mag-transfer ng bus. There's a bus ride going to Chufen. Hindi kasi pwede yung bus namin na pang tour kasi medyo malaki. Hindi daw kakasya yung bus dahil maliliit yung roads. Cost us 15 NTD per person. So, kailangan meron kayong barya kasi hindi sila nagsusukli. It's either you use the Metro Pass or pwede naman na cash pero dapat exact amount lang. Chufen is a charming small town in northern Taiwan, famous for the scenic views and also a lot of delicious street foods. The best time to visit is during at night kasi sobrang ganda daw talaga ng alley filled with lanterns na yung iniilawan na lanterns. Para siyang Baguio. Alam niyo yun, kapag umaakit kayo ng Baguio, di ba parang ganito rin yun? Kalsada, na pa-zigzag-zigzag, tapos shops, nasa tuktok yung mga bahay, yung main attraction. Xian sweet desserts. They're actually famous for their taro balls, mga tea. Uy, fruits. Siya yung may shave ice, tapos hahalo-haluin mo. So from here, we can enjoy and shop around. Sabi nila, mas marami daw tao kapag weekends. Today is weekend plus holiday also in Taiwan. So that's why sobrang crowded and maraming tao. Ay, masarap pa.
Okay.
Parang gusto ko nang bumili ah.
I guess this is water vapor. Green tea? Green tea and pineapple.
Ang sarap yung pineapple. Daming free taste dito, B. Pinoy na Pinoy. 12 pieces, 480. Milk flavor egg roll. Try din natin to. 770. Try nga natin. Sarap ng tea. Refreshing. May ulong pineapple cake. Pero hindi ko masyadong trip yung lasa niya for some reason. Hindi nagmamatch yung ulong at yung pineapple para sa akin lang. Pero I'm not sure for other people.
The phone for free,
Lahat pinapatikam dito ah. Okay ah. 100. Ang dami na ah. Ayun yung nilagay niya. Ah, lupit ah. May passion fruit. Tapos yung guava niya ah. Ganda ng combination niya. Passion fruit tsaka guava. Got this cream puff for 35 NTD. Mainit-init pa bago luto. Kanina ko pa nakikita tong mga parang dried fruits. Strawberry chips, langka, Taiwan beer. Ito, must try din daw sa kanila.
This one is cranberry, no sugar added, no sugar. Just only ice water. No added sugar, just only water. And coffee jam. But in Taiwan, no sugar with lemon, delicious.
Sarap ah. Mekus-mekus. May cranberry. Cranberry, tas yes, fresh. Pinipiga talaga nila. Nakalagay, 600 for 2 bottles. Isang scoop, tas haluan mo ng water. And may pinaprovide naman sila na box. Malasa na kahit ganyan lang. Ito yung mga binibenta niya, cranberry. Tas meron ding grapes. Pero ang mabenta ngayon yung cranberry. Ang dami na niya nabigay nito ah. Kota na. Yung expiration naman daw is 1 year. Basta hindi mo na-open. Pero pag na-open mo, i-ref mo lang para tumagal. Parang mahirap kapag may mga kasamang kids dito tsaka elders kasi medyo makitid yung daan tsaka hindi pantay. Also maraming stairs. Tsaka walang mga pagpapahingahan or mauupuan yung mga elders. I think this is the famous shop for the taro kasi ito yung mahaba yung pila hanggang dun sa baba. And then may mga pork buns din. Ah, so this is the spot. This is a spot for picture taking kasi dito lahat ng tao. Tapos puro lanterns. Ito ang Instagrammable spot. And most probably, ito yung mga restaurants na jam-pack palagi kasi ito yung pinakamagandang view. Ito yung IG-worthy spot. Hindi na kami nag-dine-in sa may Amay Tea House kasi all outdoor tables are full. And ulong tea and desserts lang yung pwede namin i-order. So, hindi na kami nag-push through and also kasi 4:45 yung call time namin sa bus. It's already 4:15 na, so we have to head back to our bus. I got the goods and I'm full from all the free taste. Tignan mo, ang ganda rin